Sparkle star Mavi Legaspi once again surprised his fans and followers with his new look. The young actor recently flexed his new brown-colored hair and his new haircut through a post on Instagram. It seems that Mavi has his own way of welcoming the new month of February. He shared a photo of himself featuring his new look with the caption, "New month, new cut." In the comments section, it could be seen that his fans did not let this pass. A lot of them dropped their positive reactions and comments about Mavi's new hairdo. Comedian actress Cherez Solomon liked Mavi's post and she commented, "Pogi, Mavi is Cassie Legaspi twin brother." Mavi and Cassie are the lovely children of actors Zoren Legaspi and Carmina Villarroel.